In December, the Dartmouth Sustainability Office sent 10 students on the first ever Sustainable Food Systems immersion trip in Italy. We explored lots of concepts relating to how our agricultural systems connect with landscape, climate, culture, and we explored food systems on many different scales, from super local all the way through our global food systems.
I enjoy sustainability and I have a lot of passion for it, but I never really focused on the food systems part. It gave me the perfect opportunity. This trip just kind of allowed us to learn from each other and learn from those who we met.
Chefs, cooks, farmers, everyone there was just so passionate and just loved what they did so much.
It was a very hands-on experience there. I really enjoyed that. We got the chance to, milk cows, make our own cheese, make our own pizza. They just really took us in and just showed us their way of life.
It really connected how food and what we rely on is really intrinsic to us. You can't ignore where those systems start and end, and I think that really translated into mindfulness of when I eat food, where is it coming from?
These immersion trips can be some of the most impactful experiences our students will have at Dartmouth. They really bring things to life in a new way for them and build upon what they're learning in the classroom to give them experiences that are going to stick with them the rest of their lives.